Slighted shake of doubt. One of the leading Asante Kotoko bloggers, I will promo say Obed, Miami, say Obed, na anopay na eja eguno so by Minuaba, Owoahene Acheampong, to Jebia no paper, or accuse it, say Obed of some things. Now, we are going to unravel it and explain certain things. Say Obed, we need to obey the PRO of the club. Na menua Owoahene Acheampong make allegations be against the personality of say Obed den and all kafano details and more no ewa ha they say as far as the kotoko na say lose here be ya and akofefa in same way nyina abo brande kotoko so lose ne ba in sema ewo kuku mu nyina epie according to Owoahene Acheampong no say Obed ete oyerepa FM ho na chese bi efa Kotoko ho bia no sa sometime amo ene striker Zakito moni omo amaka no ka no kre na Obed defend no na akofa ba se Kotoko akosan players miensa ball pa de e ka se ball omo nse de ni mbobo ni mum no agenda sem na players yi ekofa so ba Kotoko ama say Kotoko is terminate your contract no so Owoahene Acheampong a very vociferous Kumasa Asante Kotoko supporter and odi nsem way to ya Owoahene nsema odi to ya no I don't know your project in screen so no say on your FM sports I hear Obed Acheampong. I don't like how he defend the club when others in the studio said or say things that if stopped could help the team progress. Or say on pet acquire Obed Efaso a defend the club no. Abra ye cano crena will defend it. Or say Obed is getting YouTube money, so he's not telling the truth about Kotoko. He don't want others telling the truth neither, even if it will help Kotoko. Or say, an accusation, and it is not established. Or say, Obed, ni YouTube scar with free Kotoko, or your Kotoko news, and unti say a kind of creno about Kotoko on per se a man for Aka. This is coming from Owoahene Acheampong. We gave Obed Acheampong a car, during his PRO days. He banked it up bad now, and it is now in repairs. I say Abra Obed ebeye PRO for Kotoko under Dr. Kwame no mama ne car. Nemu no car no was saying as we speak. Repairs. We allegation level against Obed. Obed baby will be ano. I'm trying to reach out. Also be you one palm. We know the reasons you were sacked from Kotoko PR under Dr. Kwame administration. If you don't shape up well, we will say it loud here. And also then the signature tune there too. We move. Hey, Asante Kotoko supporters. Owoahene Acheampong assemble nya abotre. Well, Obed, asama Owoahene Acheampong sawo anu ye bia we are trying to reach out. Na also the explanation bia wo bia ba Asante Kotoko one love. Young Konika crack na bibia be fine. Then na so Hamza will be me from the blog man. We make do me do see a chat we call long time.